Hi everyone, my name is Emelie, and in today's video I will share with you 2 Christmas tags that I created for Trinity's 12 Days of Christmas Tags series. So I hope you will enjoy this one. You can see I started out by stamping the Ice Friends. They are just adorable. I believe this was released a couple of years ago, but I think it's still available. I'm pretty sure it's still available over at Trinity's website. I will have a link down below for you. So cute. I just love all of these cute skaters. So I will stamp them in some alcohol friendly ink, and then I can go ahead and start creating my little critters and how I want them to look. So for my little reindeer here, what is it, a moose? I think it's a reindeer. So I decided to go with neutral brown colors. My little fox as well, super adorable. And my little bunny will actually turn out to be gray. So cute. I just love coloring. It was a while since I did some alcohol blending, so I was a little bit rusty, but you can see here I'm just going darkest to lightest or lightest to darkest, and I usually don't use more than 3 different shades for all color families. So I'm no expert, I just think it turned out quite cute when I was done. For the clothing itself, I wanted something bright and fun. So I went with pink and yellow and blues. So I really wanted these to pop a lot on my card. I thought the bunny's jacket looked a little bit too pale for my liking for this project. So you will see in the end here I actually made it into a darker pink shade. I also pulled out the Zip Gift tag die. This is an older but goodie as well from Trinity, and it's really fun because you could, in those slits in the die, put in some other dies to make like this tree that you can see here, or a sentiment, and I did that for this one. So that is really fun, and you can just pop out the exit of these, and we can have our sentiment sort of built into the tag itself. There is also a zip on this. If you want a gift card to be tucked inside of the tag, you can have that. But I decided just to go ahead and create some tags like they were. And I wanted to highlight my bunny and the other friends with some white gel pen. I like that. It really gives some more texture and fun to these images. And I also wanted some snow for my trees here, so that is really nice. For the tag that we created, I thought it looked a little bit too plain with just the white, so I wanted it to be a more frosty look. So I pulled out some teal colors here and just blending them with Trinity's bigger blending brush. And I can use the next color just to bring out some more darkness, and the third color here just to the bottom part of this. So you can see we get a gradient going on here between the colors, and then we can go ahead and attach our elements to the project. So I will have my trees to the top here, and the skaters will all be sort of tucked on top of that. And you can also see that I put some white paper behind my thanks sentiment, and I also raised it up and had some twine to that. So our second card, it's the one with the tree here. I just wanted one skater for that one, and we can have a sentiment. And I pulled out the Simply Sentimental Mary, and I took one of the dies from this set and cut it out. And I will also have a companion sentiment down below that says Christmas, so we'll have Merry Christmas. And yeah, just so cute. And I will actually stamp it twice, so I have 2 to choose from. If some of them wouldn't stamp perfectly, I would always have a second one to use. And you can see that the colors for my Mary matches the tree that we have. So we will have Merry Christmas, and of course we will have some dimension just to make sure that it stands out, since this is the message that's the most important part, I think. I will also have some hearts from that same die set. There is these hearts that you can use. Cut them out of gold glitter cardstock and just use them as embellishments. I thought that was quite nice to just fill up that space in the top there. And of course we needed some ribbon and some twine to the top part of our tag. And of course the heart fell off. Can always put it back. And then I just created a bow with some twine, cutting off the exit. And I will have a back part for this tag as well. And of course I needed some white gel pen for this one as well. Otherwise it wouldn't look as good as it will. I think it really turns all of the critters into the next level. So there you go. I will have some clear sequins from Trinity as well. You will see it in a close-up here in a second. So far they are looking like this, and I really like the little skaters on top of this. And you can definitely use these for your Christmas presents. I was thinking also my kids' teachers could have the thanks one. I think that was really nice. So thank you so much for stopping by our channel today. I will have links down below for all of the products I used in this video. And stay tuned for some more Christmas tags inspiration this week. Bye!